Companies are the backbone for any economy. Behind every product we use today, there's a company that manufactures them. Even the device in which you are watching this video is made by a company. So I thought, why not make a list of top 10 most valuable Indian companies? To list the top 10 Indian companies, I used market capitalization as a criteria. So all the companies in this list are listed on a stock exchange. But before we start, let's understand what is market capitalization. If you take the total number of shares of a particular company and multiply it with the stock price, the result you get is called market capitalization. That is the value of all the shares of the company. For example, if a company has 1000 shares and the price of each share is 10 rupees, then the market capitalization will be 10,000 rupees. This example is just for understanding. In reality, the market capitalization of Indian companies goes into lakhs of crores. So without any delay, let's start with the list of top 10 most valuable Indian companies. The 10th company on the list is Kotak Mahindra Bank with a market capitalization of 3,54,159 crores. This company was started way back in 1985 by Uday Kotak. Uday started his finance and bill discounting business with a seed capital borrowed from his family and friends. The major part of the investment came from his best friend Anand Mahindra. Therefore, the financial agency was named as Kotak Mahindra. At the age of 23, Uday started Capital Management Finance Limited, a financial consultancy which later became Kotak Mahindra Finance Limited. And on 22nd March 2003, Kotak Mahindra Finance Limited received a banking license from Reserve Bank of India. In India's corporate history, this was the first non-banking finance company which received banking license and transformed into a bank. Over the years, Kotak Group has diversified into various businesses like investment banking, general insurance, asset management, and more. Today, Kotak Mahindra is the fourth largest bank in India with 9,990 crores profit in FY 2021 and has 1,604 branches spread across India. The 9th company on the list is State Bank of India with a market capitalization of 3,76,038 crores. SBI is India's largest bank. Its history dates back to 1806 when the Bank of Bengal was established. In 1921, Bank of Bengal was merged with Bank of Bombay and the Bank of Madras to form Imperial Bank of India. But in 1955, the bank's name was changed after passing State Bank of India Act, and Reserve Bank of India acquired a controlling stake in this company. In 2008, however, the Government of India acquired RBI's stake in SBI, which made Indian government the largest shareholder. State Bank of India is a Fortune 500 company and it is headquartered in Mumbai. SBI is the largest Indian bank with 25% market share, serves more than 45 crore customers through its vast network of 22,000 branches and 62,617 ATMs. Fun fact, the iconic logo of SBI was inspired by Kankaria Lake in Ahmedabad. In fact, if you go to Google Maps and type SBI Ahmedabad and zoom in, you will find a lake that resembles SBI logo. The 8th company on the list is Bajaj Finance with a market capitalization of 3,86,825 crores. Bajaj Finance is the largest non-banking financial company or NBFC in India. This company was initially incorporated with the name Bajaj Auto Finance Limited in 1987. As the name suggests, the company used to provide vehicle finance. But over the years, Bajaj Auto Finance ventured into various other areas like business financing, property financing, and whole host of other things. So, to better represent the company's business, in 2010, the company's name was changed to Bajaj Finance Limited. Interesting fact, Bajaj Finance holds 11% stake in mobile wallet major MobiKwik. The 7th company on the list is ICICI Bank with a market capitalization of 4,85,719 crores. ICICI Bank is the third largest bank in India after SBI and HDFC Bank. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India or ICICI was formed in 1954 to help Indian industries in project financing. And after liberalization, ICICI Bank was incorporated in 1994 as a part of ICICI Group. In 1999, ICICI became the first Indian company and the first financial institution from Asia to be listed on New York Stock Exchange. In 2002, the parent company ICICI merged with ICICI Bank. Today, ICICI Bank is diversified into various businesses like insurance, securities, personal finance, consulting, and more. ICICI Bank currently has a network of 5,288 branches and 15,158 ATMs spread across India. The sixth largest company on the list is HDFC with a market capitalization of 4,94,710 crores. Housing Development Finance Corporation or HDFC provides housing finance to individuals and corporates for the purchase or construction of residential houses. HDFC is India's first and largest housing finance company. As of 31st March 2021, HDFC financed over 84 crore housing units. Apart from housing finance, HDFC also operates in banking, insurance, asset management and stock broking. HDFC was started by Mr. Hasmukh Thakurdas Parekh in 1977 when he was 66 years old. An interesting fact is that before starting HDFC, he used to work for ICICI. In fact, in 1972, he served as a chairman of that company. The fifth largest company on the list is Hindustan Unilever Limited with a market capitalization of 5,82,498 crores. HUL is the subsidiary of giant global consumer products company Unilever Limited. HUL is operating in India for over 85 years and it is India's largest FMCG company. HUL has 44 brands in 14 distinct categories such as fabric solutions, home and hygiene, life essentials, skincare, hair care, and the list goes on and on. HUL owns some of the famous consumer brands like Lifebuoy, Surf Excel, Rin, Fair & Lovely, Ponds, Close-Up, Axe, Brooke Bond, Horlicks, and etc. The fourth largest company on the list is India's IT giant Infosys with a market capitalization of 7,41,698 crores. Infosys is the second largest IT company in India. They have presence in 50 plus countries and in financial year 2021, they earned a record 1 lakh crores as a revenue. Infosys is also the first Indian IT company to be listed on Nasdaq. Infosys was started in 1981 and almost went bankrupt in 1989, but was able to come back and build a massive business empire. The interesting thing is, in 1993 when Infosys went for IPO, it was undersubscribed by 13%. But today, Infosys is known for wealth creation. In fact, they share their wealth through employee stock options. The third largest company on the list is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is part of larger HDFC Group. HDFC Bank is India's largest private sector bank and was among the first to receive approval from Reserve Bank of India to set up a private sector bank in 1994. Today, HDFC Bank has a banking network of 5,653 branches and 16,291 ATMs, which cover 2,917 cities or towns. HDFC Bank went public in 1995. The issue was oversubscribed 55 times and listed at about 40 rupees, 3 times the issue price. Since then, HDFC Bank has been a value creator for investors. Today, HDFC Bank stock is trading at around 1,500 rupees. Its shares listed on New York Stock Exchange in 2001. The second largest company in the list is Tata Consultancy Services with a market capitalization of 13,14,051 crores. TCS is one of only 2 companies that has a market capitalization of more than 10 lakh crores and belongs to the largest Tata family. TCS is the largest IT company in India, both in terms of market capitalization and revenues. TCS was founded in 1968 to support its sister concern TISCO, now Tata Steel. Today, TCS is present in 46 plus countries and employs a whopping 5,09,058 people. TCS is also the 10th largest IT services company in the world. Finally, the number 1 company on the list is Reliance Industries with a market capitalization of 13,94,687 crores, and it is the largest company in terms of market capitalization. The company was co-founded by Dhirubhai Ambani and Champaklal Damani in 1960s as Reliance Commercial Corporation. In 1965, the partnership ended and Dhirubhai continued the polyester business of the firm. In 1977, Reliance Textile Industries IPO created history by introducing equity cult in India. After Dhirubhai Ambani, his son Mukesh Ambani continued his legacy. Over the years, Reliance business empire expanded rapidly and diversified into various industries like oil refinery, retail, telecommunication and more. The list is too big. Reliance employs over 230,000 people and owns the world's largest oil refining hub with a capacity of 1.4 million barrels per day. And now with the success of Jio and investment coming in from global firms like Facebook, Reliance is taking steps in a new direction for development. So that's the list of top 10 companies in terms of market capitalization. If you like the video, hit that like